If you're looking for a compact projector for movies, streaming, and casual gaming, the Xenopad N6 is an interesting option. I bought this projector from Amazon, and I've added the Amazon link in the description. There's a big discount and an extra coupon available, so definitely check the link for the lowest price before ordering. What I like about the N6 is how simple it is to get started. The autofocus and auto keystone features make setup much easier, especially if you're moving the projector between rooms. The picture looks sharp and enjoyable for everyday movie watching, and projecting onto a much larger screen makes the experience considerably more immersive than watching on a regular TV. The smart features are also convenient because you can stream your content directly instead of having to connect a separate device. Wi-Fi and Bluetooth make it easy to get connected and pair external speakers or headphones. For gaming, I'd say it's best suited to casual PS5, Xbox, and single-player gaming. Playing on a huge projected screen is genuinely fun, especially with racing and story-based games. The compact design is another plus. You can easily move it from the bedroom to the living room or set it up for a movie night without creating a permanent home theater setup. Audio is good enough for casual viewing, but if you're planning a proper movie night, I'd pair it with a Bluetooth speaker or soundbar for a more immersive experience. One thing to remember with projectors is that a darker room will always give you the best picture. So for movies, I'd recommend using it in the evening or with the room lights dimmed. Overall, the Xenopad N6 is a convenient option if you want an easy-to-use projector for movies, streaming, and casual gaming without building a complicated setup. If you're interested, check the Amazon link in the description for the current discount and available coupon.